Hello students, this is the sixth part of our third lesson, The Call of the Soil, which is written by Venkat Iyer. So open your books, page number 29. On this page number, second paragraph. This time it was the Adivasi Mahamandal. From this line we are going to start today. Now listen carefully. This time it was the Adivasi Mahamandal at Kasa, which buys rice from the Adivasi villagers on behalf of the government. So, here we are getting information that this time finally the writer went in Kasa village. There Adivasi Mahamandal, this Mahamandal buy rice from the Adivasi people, and they buy rice from the Adivasi people on the behalf of government, Indian government. Kasbai did not figure in their files. Figure, it means mention. Kasbai did not figure in their files, but these Adivasi Mahamandal buying rice from the Adivasi people, Adivasi villagers, but in their file also there was not the mention any kind of reference of Kasbai variety of rice. A good indication why people did not grow it anymore. And there was very good indication the writer got that why people, even the Adivasi people, are not growing this kind of variety like Kasbai. The market itself did not recognize the rice, so if you grow it, you would not be able to sell it. Not only the villagers, not only the Adivasi, but the market people who buy and sell grains, those people also didn't know this kind of name, this kind of variety of rice. And therefore, if you get from somewhere this type of traditional variety of rice and grow that variety in your farm and went into the market to sell, so there would be a lot of problem to you because people don't know anything about this type of variety. The market itself did not recognize the rice, so if you grow it, you would not be able to sell it. However, the officer in charge it means chief. However, the officer in charge here had more knowledge of rice and did remember Kasbai being sold to him a few years ago. But in Adivasi Mahamandal, there was a chief officer, in charge officer, and that officer was very knowledgeable person, and that person, that officer knew that few years ago in this area the Adivasi people were growing this variety, Kasbai variety of rice, but now they are not growing any kind of variety of this variety of rice in their farms. So when in Dhanwari, Baban and I started looking for Dehu Handa and found a graying old man wearing a cap. Graying, it means white hair. White haired, wearing a cap, sitting outside the house on a charpoy. So finally the writer got the name of the person, and the name of that person is Dehu Handa, and that person is living in Dhanwari village. And in search of that person, Dehu Handa, in Dhanwari village, Baban and the writer went in search of that person. And when they saw that person was very old man, and his hairs were completely white, and he were wearing a cap in on his head, and he was there on his charpai, on his sitting bed. An ex-sarpanch of the village, he had acres of land, a huge house and a large family. Now here we are getting information about the Dehu Handa, this person. He was ex-sarpanch of that village. It means few years ago, in the past time, he was the sarpanch of that village. And he had only 1 acre of land, only 1 acre of farm, and he had a huge, very big house there, and his family was a very large family. After exchanging the usual pleasantries, pleasantry it means funny talking, we came to the topic of Kasbah. So they went to meet that Dehu Handa in Dhanwari village. They met that person. They started to talk with that person. At the starting, they talk some formal words, and they talk few funny words, and finally they came to the topic, and the topic was Kasbai, variety of rice. This is the traditional variety of rice. The mayor mentioned, mayor it means just. The mayor mention of Kasbai and Dehu Handa drifted. Drifted it means went or flowed. Drifted into the past. When the writer just mention name of Kasbai variety of rice, after hearing the name of that variety, Dehu Handa, this old man went into his past. His eyes turned dreamy, and with a tremble in his voice, he told us how the entire village at one time craved only Kasbai. So his eyes were looking like he is dreaming something, and he was dreaming his past life when in the village everyone was planting only Kasbai variety of rice, and he was telling everything to the writer, and that time there was some kind of tremor, some kind of vibration, some kind of shaking in his voice. He said, there was a time when people passing our village during lunchtime would be forced to stop and ask for a meal. So when the whole area of that village was planted by this type of variety Kasbai, so the whole area was scented, was filled completely with the scent, with the aroma of this rice, and every person who is passing that village, going from near that village, so that scent of the rice forced that person to stop in that village and ask for some kind of meal, some kind of rice to eat to the villagers. Such was the alluring aroma of kasbai. Alluring, it means attractive or charming. So this kind of very charming, very attractive aroma scent the kasbai had. The entire area would have this heady aroma. Heady, it means, this also means attractive or charming. Hanging in the air. Hanging, it means filling. Hanging in the air as all the houses cook the same rice. So that time, when everyone was planting only kasbai rice variety, so every day all the villagers were cooking only this rice in their houses, and therefore in the whole area of that village, in the air, that air was completely filled with the scent of this type of variety, this kind of rice variety, and that is kasbai. Today, he said, no one grew kasbai and everyone had shifted. Shifted, it means moved. Shifted to growing the new hybrid varieties. And finally, Dehu Handa, that old man, said that today no one in the village planted kasbai variety. Everyone shifted, moved to the hybrid varieties. He claimed he had to force himself to eat this rice that was so insipid. Insipid, it means without taste or flavor. So he finally said that the hybrid rice, that is not a tasty, that is not a flavorous, but he is forcing himself to eat that rice. Why? Because everyone is planting hybrid rice which is not having any kind of scent, which is not having any kind of taste or flavor. So he is forcing himself to eat that rice. So student, this part ends here and we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.